we were doing about, 4,500 bucks a week. After a year, we're averaging, I think, around 15,000 a week now. I've been able to scale massively and be able to keep consistent leads coming through and know what I'm looking at. I'm John. I have a gutter cleaning business called Geelong Local Gutter Cleaning.
Cool. What problem did you have before you joined the With You program?
Basically, lead flow. Um, I needed to obviously get more leads, and I didn't really know how to do it myself. I worked with a couple of people online who did all right work, but I kind of wanted to do it myself. I wanted to spend more time on it, and I know my business better than anyone, so it was like made sense for me to do it. Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Did you have any hesitations before you signed up?
It took about a year of seeing Brandon's face. I actually had one call with him, probably, yeah, almost a year before I actually signed up. But I think he called me while I'd got called by telemarketers like 5 times that day, so I was like not open to it. But then I eventually like I just kept seeing him. I'm like, yeah, there must be something to this. Like obviously it's working. So um yeah, and he seemed just like down to earth, so it made sense.
Yeah. Very similar story for a lot of people.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah.
how long have you been in the program?
I think about a year now,
Cool. And how
maybe.
has it been? So, like, where were you when you started and where are you now?
So when I started, well, in terms of I guess like revenue and we probably get about 80% of our work through ads. So it's like reflective of this, but we were doing about, 4,500 bucks a week as an average. And yeah, after a year, we're averaging, I think, around 15,000 a week now with two workers. So I've been able to scale massively and be able to keep consistent leads coming through and know what I'm looking at and yeah, like just grow my business. You know, that's the key, right? Leads. So
Yeah. Awesome. I guess you've already kind of touched on this, but like what kind of results have you seen?
yeah, just like very consistent results. I think the main thing is like a big thing is um knowing I can kind of trust myself now. So I'm not like worried that it's going to stop. There was always that before. So when you've got that, you're scared to grow the business in general because you're like, yeah, it might stop tomorrow and then I owe these people work or whatever. Um, but now I feel in control of it all and I can kind of do with it what I will. So results wise, I've been able to grow the business, yeah, hugely because of all of this. So
What has been the most valuable part of the With You program?
honestly, I think the copywriting would be like huge. When I was starting, I was running a lot of like, you know, get 20% off and like those kind of discounts, and you attract a certain type of person. I was running all of my lead campaigns through Messenger campaigns, which worked, but like there was so much going back and forth and just talking to customers. Um, the copywriting's taught me to create like really targeted ads and get like a specific quality of client that's like really predictable and being able to close them and you know when they come to you they've already qualified, so it's like that's huge. um Technical stuff as well, but I mean like there's only so much technical stuff you can learn with Meta. It does a lot of it for you now, so yeah.
Yeah, cool. And if you had to choose between like the workshops, the advisory calls, the posting in school, which out of that have you got the most use out of?
Well, I did my first advisory call in a year yesterday. So, so like, which is like saying either one that I'm lazy or two that I didn't need it. Like, I got so much out of the workshops. I've gone back to those copywriting videos like often just to yeah, to brainstorm more stuff. But after yesterday's advisory call, like I can see the benefit in those. It's like huge, especially if you're not that technically minded or you want more confidence. It's good having that support for sure.
Yeah, cool. And just one more. If someone was on the fence about signing up, what would you say to them?
I mean, like leads is everything for a business. And these guys are clearly they've proven themselves with like countless reviews. They've been up growing so huge in the past few years. And if you want more leads and you want to grow your business, it's a good way. Like, I don't know what else you would do other than try your shot with another marketing agency, but they're probably just going to overcharge you anyway. So, um, yeah.